Coming up, a super easy DIY ramp using gravel and stone for our new shed. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Here's the beginning of our DIY ramp we're going to build today with the help of my family. We're going to go ahead and tack on some 2x4 pressure treated lumber and just make sure the stone does not travel behind and underneath the shed. And here's the final product once I tacked on the boards. That was the easy job tacking on that 2x4, but now the real work begins, hauling the 3/4 stone from the driveway. The following day, I brought in additional gravel and smoothed out the ramp even further, filling in those spots I had previously missed while working late into the evening. The DIY ramp is now complete. That 3/4 stone mix worked really well. It compacted down and it seems to be holding up quite nicely. You can get the mower in and out as well as other equipment. It was a nice project for the entire family to work on. So that pretty much does it. I want to know what you think, if I need to put down an additional layer of material to help solidify things, or if you guys think I'm in pretty good shape. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a fantastic day.